All right, guys. We're headed out today here and leaving our little apartment here. And we're gonna head out, check it out, see what's going on out here.
Check it out.
Boca Chica. So bring you guys along with us and let you see what we see. We're here in the apartment, headed out, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with us as we walk down to the streets to go get us some chow for today. So you guys come along and check it out. Let's go.
Let's go.
You see me here, you see me there. Been overseas, been through the air. Traveling around the world, that's how I roll. I'ma do this till I die, listen. So don't be wasting my time, listen. If I failed, at least I tried, listen. Love and freedom is what I do.
Vamos a la tienda de los chinos.
No, we're
No?
We're gonna eat and then walk that out later.
Hola.
What's up? Nope, we ahead. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Vamos a comer.
Alright guys, it is such a lovely day. Like I said, this is the place that we're staying at. It's fairly new, guys, so check it out. It's only about 5-minute walk from the beach and about 10-minute walk to the grocery store, as I showed you guys before. So we're gonna walk down here and grab us some chow. I think we're gonna go try this sancocho. We haven't wait on these people. There's a lot of traffic through here. Like I said, we headed down here to, I think we're gonna go try some sancocho. We didn't get it the other day. We ended up eating over in Juan Dolio, and when we came back, we wasn't even hungry for no sancocho. So we're gonna check it out today. See if we can get some. It's a little windy out here. Want to cross, come on?
Sí. Cuidado.
Yeah, you guys definitely gotta pay attention when you cross the street over here. Motorcycles up and down the road like crazy, and I seen online where they say that Dominican Republic was the most dangerous country to drive in, even worse than Vietnam, Cambodia, Philippines, and man, I know, well, parts of Vietnam. Da Nang, Vietnam is pretty cool. That's where we was on our little motorbike.
Yeah.
But Ho Chi Minh City, shit, you couldn't. Yeah, you couldn't give me a vehicle over there for free to drive around in Ho Chi Minh City. No, thank you, guys. But this the part I really don't like, guys. When you walking, minding your business, going down to the beach, be prepared. I know that these guys hustle, but I just get bothered by it. I really don't like when they come up to me, you know, trying to get you to interact with their little hustle. I don't like when people touch me. I don't like when they try to intervene. There's a truck full of plantains right there, and I don't like when they bugging. That's one thing I don't like to do. I don't like when people bugging me. I mean, it really bothers me. Like he's gonna run over here and bug. If I want something and I'm looking for something, I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna ask questions. I'm gonna ask where it's at. I'm gonna ask, you know, how do I get to it? I'm gonna ask how much it is. I'm gonna ask questions. But don't come up to me bugging me when I'm not interested in what you have. So that's the thing that I really don't partake in. I don't like that stuff. So for different. Some people like it, but I don't. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It bothers me a whole lot. That's why my wife tells me a lot. Down here on this side of town is definitely not for you. She already know.
Nope.
I get a little upset with people all in my face, and especially when they come to try to touch me and or keep following me when I told them I don't want it. But you know, that's just how some of these places are.
Illegal.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, but you know,
Hola.
Hola.
life goes on. Life goes on. But we're out here. Gonna go and see if we can get some chow. Bring you guys along with us. This is in the daytime, close to the beach area, Boca Chica, guys. You come down to Boca Chica and walk and get you guys. Let you guys see what we get. I filmed this guy last time over here, the cigar factory, guys. That's where he rolled the cigars from the natural tobacco. And you guys come over and check him out. He just waved there, man. It's a little shop right there. You can go get you some fresh, some already rolled up, or he can roll you some fresh off the press. So check him out when you get a chance. He have Cuban cigars as well. So, but we're over here. See, it wasn't. I gave you guys a straight, clear view of us walking from our hotel to down here. The beach is just right over here on the other side over here. But this is place where that. Wasn't it in this one? The sign was out here.
Maybe it's not open yet.
I think it is this one. That's not the sign. That's another hotel. I mean, another casino. It's not this one. Evening de las tres. But it's not this one, I don't think. I think it's, or maybe it's the next one. Not sure.
La noche es diferente.
Yup. Wait. All right, guys, we made it over here to Frio Hot, and we have, to start out an appetizer, got some cheese, mozzarella sticks, and some pineapple juice. We're still waiting on our Sancocho, guys, here at Frio Hot, guys. Nice little place here. Also, they are a hotel as well, a bar. My brother K-Mac, he normally stay here when he comes to Boca Chica. So when you guys come over here, Boca Chica, check out Frio Hots, guys. Not a bad little spot. Not a bad little spot. All right, guys, the Sancocho is alive. And we're going to check it out, guys. Let you know what we think. So stay tuned.
Let's eat.
What do you think, Omar?
Let's eat.
Let's eat? Okay. All right. She said, let's eat. Let's do this.
Eat.
All right. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and close this out because the Sancocho is on, guys. And we'll catch you guys on the next video, so stay tuned. Appreciate you watching as always. And to the next one. I am peace. One love.
Take me there. Been overseas, been through the air, traveling around the world, that's how I roll.